How's everybody doing today, guys? KEEB here. Another trade recap, really more of a trade analysis or a market analysis. I did not take any trades today. Let's go ahead and look at price action and see why I did not. So, this is why I didn't take a trade. Yeah, dude, what is this, bro? My family thinks that I'm going insane. My mom's friend seen me writing in a notebook at my little brother's birthday party and said that I was going to kill myself. So, guys, don't worry about me. I'm good. I know. I tell my mom, I'm like, yeah, so my job is looking at candlesticks all day. Like I'm fucking schizophrenic, but it's good, okay? It's chill, okay? It's chill, bro. It's chill. Trust. So, this was my bias, okay, that we were, so let me show you, let me read you guys my bias really quick. NASDAQ is the leading index today. We had S&Ps getting put in all over the place. I really see kind of, I'm seeing a lot of things that I need to see. Longs, like, are formed, not going to lie. We had Asian get swept. We had London get swept. Here, we had a, where is it? Right here, we had a 5-minute break of structure to the upside. Okay. 5-minute break of structure to the upside. And then we tap. We're now tapping back into this gap. And if we look on the 1 minute, I know that we had. Where is it? We had SMTs right here. We made equal lows, or it didn't really come down and take it. But on the S&P, we did not. So now it looks like S&P is leading. But now the S&T has been taken away. We can see that we've now came down, swept that out. We're tapped back into this bullish gap. Just with this, like if we check it out on the 15-minute, yeah, I'm good off trading this. You know what I mean? Like I'm good. And even on the 1 minute, like. But, okay, besides all that, longs, I believe, honestly, this will play out, just not as quick as I would like it to. So we have London right here. We have Asian right here. We come down, wick, take out liquidity. Now, what's the next thing I'm looking for? Changing the state of order flow, changing the state of direction, break of structure, whatever you want to call it, okay? 5 or 15-minute break of structure. Then I want to see some kind of 5-minute retrace with internal manipulation, and then this right here, like this would be ultra good longs because this is a swing high right here, and we broke above it, and we immediately come back down. But if there was a more stronger bullish presence, like, and then also this is why as well. So on the 4-hour here, we have technically, so right here, this low, on this low, we break through it, and we never come back up and close above this. And then now we have this candle form, never come and close. So we are in a bearish trend on the 4-hour. 1 hour, kind of same thing is going on here. We break below, we break under this, and we're just not seeing. Now the day, what's probably happening is that we are trying to, this is what's happening right now. We're moving into this daily gap. So now I think that we will see that. So I guess we'll just wait and see. But I honestly really don't want to trade this just with how flip-flop it is and government shutdown and no news. It's just like really risky for me. Not going to lie. And then also we're just like, even like on the 1 minute, we're just fucking running through these gaps. Okay, like taking gaps. Like you think right here, bam, comes down, taps into it, wicks, nope, and then inverses the gap. Then we have bullish gap right here, inverses to then inverse back to the upside. Or technically no, we wick and then bam. It's a single inverse for Vega gap is only a single candlestick, so not valid. And we've now broken structure back to the downside on the 1 minute. But what would have been my entry here? What was my entry? So we can see EQ is right here. We move down into this from here, this move to up here, this slight range right here. We come, tap into it, okay, move into it, and then we come down, take out London Asian liquidity. Then bam, what am I looking for? Break of structure back to the upside. We have a 1 minute break of structure right here, okay, where we come, we break above. All right, and then I'm trying to look for, we also inverse. No, we don't actually inverse this gap because that's a 2 candlestick pattern. So then on the 15-minute break of structure, also there we have a 5 minute swing high right here. That would have been a really good entry, especially we had, where is it at? No, it was on S&P, not NASDAQ. So look at this. This is, I almost entered, okay? I almost entered on the S&P because we have this 1 minute that we inverse. Or no, we don't inverse it. Yo, sorry guys. I'm a little tired. I apologize. But we have this 1 minute that we come wick into and then shoot, and then also we break structure back to the upside, okay? And then we had 5 minute break of structure, 5 minute right here, also swing high. If we would have displaced through that, that would have been a good entry. Bam, we have London highs right here. We have Asian highs right here, previous day New York highs right here, and then previous day New York highs right here. Or no, this is Asian. I'm sorry. I apologize. London, Asian, previous New York. I'm just not trading though. I'm good off this. 100%. I am not going to take any kind of trade today. No way in hell, with the way we are moving, with the way we are. Now I assume, here's what I assume, okay? I assume that we are going to move into this gap, okay? This daily gap, to then continue moving higher. If we see, we take EQ from the low of this, okay? To then, how this works, to make EQ of a range, right? You take the most recent low from the down close candle to the most recent high. So right here, this we haven't formed an up candle, so there's nothing really to mark out here. So we take this to that up here, okay, and just slightly below. Now let's see. I bet that there's some form of liquidity resting under here, okay. Now this, we may not move to the daily EQ, okay, but we probably will move to tap into this gap, okay, which we have done now, okay. And now potentially that we've tapped into, we have the 4-hour gap right here that we tap into, and then we are looking like we're rejecting off of that and continuing to move higher. And then we also have this daily right here that we're kind of doing the same thing, okay. Now for me, it's just like how cumulative we are, and if we pull up, let me show you guys how you guys can keep track of the sessions, right? So we have really nothing happens in London. We have Tokyo manipulation, okay, where we come down, take out liquidity, and then shoot to the upside, okay, to then manipulate these highs and then distribute back down, okay, decent. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a bullish move back up, okay. I'm either expecting manipulation back to the upside, or I'm expecting continuation to the downside, okay. And right now we're kind of in this accumulation zone where we came down, took out these lows, and now I'm expecting a rotation back to the upside, because now if we can see, this is a really good so yeah, now we've had that 5 minute internal manipulation. So actually this actually might play out. I just don't know if I want to trade this. Yeah, and SMT put in, look at that. And we have another SMT put in, bullish SMT off NASDAQ from this low to this low. Look at that. And here, bam. Or no, we can do that, because on this wick we come down and take out this. Here we do not. And here now okay, now we've had internal manipulation where we come down and take out this low with a wick, okay. So now I think maybe this trade could potentially play out. See if we formed any 5 minute gaps. Let me get this shit off my screen. But as you can see, it's just like, this is why I really don't want to take a trade. Like, look at this, man. And now it's 10:20. 10:30 crude oil comes out. That's really nothing that would move the market, depending, unless it's some crazy shit. They say some crazy shit, which I fucking doubt, you know. We have the 1 minute gap right here. We can get rid of all these. These do not matter anymore. These have been filled and respected or ran through or whatever. So we only worry about the most recent move. We have this 1 minute fair value gap right here that we could potentially run through. especially with now this SMT put in. Internal manipulation, SMT put in. A 5-minute break of structure is right here. I really enjoy 15-minute breaks, which is still all the way back up here. I definitely think that this will play out though, 100%. You can get EQ off here. We know that we've moved to EQ. Hold up, I gotta use the bathroom really quick. I'll be back.